humanity is no longer happy. Humanity is no longer happy with itself. So we must make sure that we are creating a proper what? Raising an organic woman. Not synthetic, not plastic material. We are raising someone that should be raised. That when you look at yourself, you say, there is grace. I read Matthew chapter 5, verse number 44. Matthew 5, 44. But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Love your enemies. Pray for those who persecute you. I tell you this. Strength is not who can express more of hate. Strength is who is the first one to not respond from hate. The stronger one is the first one to say, I will not respond from corruption. I will not respond from a lack of morals and lack of position in Christ. This is politics. When you are reading in their constitution, they demand vengeance. They demand blood. But when you read from our constitution, it says, hey, this is not consistent with our nation. It's not consistent with our kingdom norms. So because of that, we must figure out our orientation. We must figure out in what kingdom have we been initiated or inducted into. Get to the place where you pray for them.